Hey friends, today I'm taking you step by step through my updated wash and go routine.
Let me read you a story.
To start, I clarify my hair with Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. This is my go-to for removing buildup from my hair and scalp. Depending on how much cleansing my hair needs, I'll use it once or twice in a wash day. After clarifying, I balance things out with African Pride Honey and Coconut Oil Shampoo. This gentle cleanser restores hydration, ensuring my hair doesn't feel stripped or overly dry. I skipped deep conditioning this time because my hair didn't need it. Instead, I used Curlsmith Post-Biotic Calming Conditioner. It's a lightweight, moisture-packed rinse-out conditioner. Its perfect consistency leaves my hair soft, manageable, and moisturized every single time. Now let's talk styling because I've been all over the place lately, okay? I don't know if I want to protective style, twist out, braid out, or wash and go. But for this routine, I decided to use Carol's Daughter Coco Cream Coil Enhancing Jelly for the first time on a wash and go, and the results is perfect, game changing. Okay, so here's what's new when it comes to my wash and goes. I no longer apply products in the shower. Instead, I use a spray bottle, or I skip the spray bottle entirely if my hair is damp enough. I've also embraced heat stretching. I know this is kind of controversial, right? A lot of people don't like it, but this is what makes me happy. I heat stretch my wash and goes, and before you gasp, okay, before you clutch them pearls, girl, let me explain. Okay, I've let go of the fear surrounding heat. To me, it's all about how you use it and care for your hair afterwards. If you love big voluminous hair like I do, heat stretching was a game changer for me. For a year and some change, I have been using heat a whole lot more than I have my entire natural hair journey. And y'all, it's not as scary as I think the internet blow it out of proportion to be. So I feel like do what you feel is best for your hair. But for me, I'm not scared anymore. And I like the results. And so I'm going to keep using this method. And if you like this method, if you like the results on my hair, I urge you to step out and try it. Once the gel is fully applied, I then diffuse my hair. I stopped using my hooded dryer because it broke down on me when I was moving into my house. But I use the diffuser on the highest setting. I dry my hair to about 90 to 95%, and then I go on to stretch it with a blow dryer with the nozzle attachment, focusing on the roots. This method gives me volume and length, and I love it without compromising my curls. I also stretch it and cuff my curls to make sure that my curls are protected. But this is before drying, and then I'm getting ready to show you guys the after drying. This is after. So you see I have some shrinkage, nothing wrong with this look, but I like my length. And you can also see that I have some coilage going on. My coils are there. And then this is after I stretched my hair out and blow dried it. So to preserve my stretched out wash and go at night, I did try the traditional banding method, but I ran out of bands, and so that forced me to improvise, and I used the hair wraps, you know, where the girls use the wraps on their, I forget what you call it, but you know, like the finger waves and stuff, they use those wraps to mold their hair down. I use those wraps, and honestly, I like it better because during the takedown, which you guys see, I ran into a bit of an issue. So closer to the root area, it looks like sticks, like because how I banded it, it kind of like stuck together and it became really straight and it looked like sticks. That's the best way I can describe what happened, and I don't like that. I ended up really liking the ones that I actually didn't have enough hair ties to band, so I just went in straight with the wraps, and those looked way better. Those sections look way better. And so now I think I'm going to just do the wraps until I find like a different alternative. So here is a quick breakdown of my routine. 1, I clarify. 2, I balance it with a gentle shampoo. 3, I condition. You can choose to deep condition if that's what your hair needs. 4, I then style. Then I stretch my hair with the blow dryer attachment. And then 6, I preserve my hair with wraps and a silk scarf. What do you guys think of the wrap method? Have you seen anyone else use this technique to stretch their hair or their wash and go, or is this your first time hearing about it? Let's chat in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content like this. Also share this with anyone who needs a new wash and go routine, and I see you in the next video.